DIY Pumpkin Spice Lip Scrub. Hello everyone. If you like autumn and pumpkin spice, then you will love this DIY pumpkin spice lip scrub. This homemade lip scrub is both vegan and budget friendly. Lip scrubs help remove dead skin cells and dry, flaky skin from your lips. They also give your lips a nice, smooth, and hydrated feel. So, if you want to know how to get soft lips, just follow this DIY recipe. This lip scrub is extremely easy to prepare and only requires 4 ingredients. It will only take you a few minutes to make. Here are the straightforward ingredients for making this homemade lip scrub. You will not only enjoy making it, but you will love the extra soft lips it will give you. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Method: 1. Place all ingredients into a small mixing bowl. 2. Mix ingredients together. 3. Place into a jar. How to use: 1. Apply a small amount to your lips. 2. Rub your lips together or with your finger for 10 seconds. 3. Wipe off pumpkin spice lip scrub residue with a towel. Are you going to give this DIY a try? Let me know in the comments below. Visit Cosette's Beauty Pantry for DIY beauty recipes and much more on cosettezamek.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.